There are various ways in which you can layer your composite. The first way is you don't layer, it's basically bulk filled, which is what a lot of practitioners do, and you can still get satisfactory results with that. However, you've got to appreciate that it's going to be done with a single increment of composite, which is usually a single shade, so you're going to be left with a fairly monochromatic restoration. Now, then you can actually layer your restorations, but you can do your restoration in various stages. So you created your palatal shell first, your dentine build-up, and then your final enamel layer. And you can either do that using the same shade of composite all the way through. So once again, you're going to be left with a monochromatic restoration. However, the fact that you're doing it in stages means that you've got control of every single step of the build-up, and what you'll find is that with taking care of every single step, your overall restoration will just have better form and structure to it, albeit a monochromatic restoration. And finally, you can layer your composite restorations using different shades of composite. And as you can probably imagine, you're going to get much more natural aesthetics because we're using different shades of composite of different opacities and translucencies to try and obtain a more natural result. Now, with the layering technique that we use in the polychromatic approach, the way it's been designed is the material determines where it should be used. Yeah, we've got different types of composites out there. We've got chromatic composites and achromatic composites. We've got bleach shade composites. We've got microfills, nanofills, hybrids, true nanofills. So we need to understand what the physical and optical properties are of those individual composites. And once you've determined that, you will then be able to calculate where that composite should be used within your build-up to optimize both the physical and optical properties of your restoration.